No, go to bed. Batasa, what are you doing? What are you doing here? I just got off work. Oh, damn, this late? Okay, okay. Hopefully work wasn't too bad this time. Also, oh, there we go. Now the viewership actually works. Nah, man, I'm not gonna go to bed, bruh. I got mega hooked on the hacking again. Now I have a mission. Shaking my damn head. Nah. It's a mentality. Actually, let me get rid of all these. Let me move Tabby to this and move this to also back. Yeah. Are you serious? Oh, I went back. That's what I did. For F, HackTheBox, then McDur, HackTheBox, then move Tabby into HackTheBox. And then, oh, it's not, I don't know. Oh, unless I do it like that, okay. For some reason, every time I autocomplete, it just disappears that /, which is the only way to actually move a directory to another directory, or something to a directory. What was I gonna do? And then move obscure to that. Yep, there we go. Cool. Oh, we got an 8080. Okay. What if I do that? Oh, well, what do you know? What if I just do regular? Mega hosting. What in the? Okay, Apache Tomcat. So Tomcat. Encoding. I don't know if that's even relevant. If you're seeing this page via web browser, it's wait. Oh, okay. Don't really have anything interesting here. User share Tomcat 9. I might just do Oh, it's only those three. Oh, for sure. It's 3. What application is running Tomcat? Oh, it actually takes non-case sensitive wording. Nice. Very good. At least HackTheBox decided that it was a good idea to get rid of that crap. No, it doesn't. What? What do you mean, no, it doesn't? Which link leads to the page containing the statement on recovering the data from the data breach? Congratulations. Wait. 2441. Let's see what this is about. Okay, it's not giving us really anything here other than Tomcat and the fact that it's mega hosting and only that it's 2.4.41 Apache. And there's like an SSH, but I don't know where that's gonna lead. So I'm 100% doing directory busting. I am gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then do the same, but I'm gonna do or if I can type. There we go. Yeah, this is bringing something up. Okay, we've got something called files. Wonder what the hell that is. Assets. Forbidden. Interesting. I usually check the 301 redirects first before looking at the 200s, because sometimes 300s are the way to go, you know. 200 means, by the way, but that's 200 means that it is a resolved website that is part of the thing. 300 I'm talking about the code, you know, the status code of a website, meaning every time you access that page, it'll give you like a code. So 200 means that it resolved and it's part of something, or if it's 301, it means that it redirects to something else. There we go. And if it's like 404 or 402, 403, 500, all of those are mostly errors that don't resolve to anything for the most part, but sometimes a 500 error might actually be useful of all the things out there. Now, in a different scenario, a 404 error sometimes, for example, if I was hacking whatchamacallit, if I was hacking WordPress, for example, usually there's like themes, and by themes it means that you can install a theme in there, as if it was like a small blog, I guess you could say. And in this blog, there's one of the templates that says 404, and sometimes accessing the 404 page could actually cause a reverse shell to happen. Meaning I can actually enter the machine by just simply refreshing the 404 page. Once I tell WordPress, hey, every time I access this, I want you to execute so-and-so. 404 bad gateway? Not necessarily. So when it says bad gateway, it usually means that something's not properly connected. Otherwise, it is part of the website. So if we go here, for example, 404 bad gateway versus 404 error. Both 404 and oh wait, no, you're thinking about 502, which is bad gateway. It's not 404. 502 is bad gateway. 404 is not found, but usually is part of the website. So the 502 is probably not good. It just means that if we go here, the server acting as a gateway or proxy received an invalid response from another server, and it was trying to access to fulfill the request. It means that there was a breakdown in communication. Very important, breakdown in communication between the two servers. You see what I'm saying? Like, they're not connected somehow, rather than the resource simply being unavailable. But on a 404, on the other hand, it just means that the server was able to communicate with the client, but couldn't find the requested resource, like a specific page or file. This is the keyword right here, page or file, especially file, because inside you can give it commands, like coding, that could result in a reverse shell whenever accessed. But you have to set it up, you know? And then once you access that thing, you do your reverse shell, your listener, which is prompt for a reverse shell, and be able to hack into the machine. That's pretty much it. Out. I think I've been having like a lot of success with this type of music, especially for hacking. I would say, especially like if it's like very background-ish, like very background-ish. Because otherwise, if it's too loud, I'm not gonna be able to concentrate. If I was playing For Honor, I would crank this up just a little bit more. But that's it. It's a different vibe, you know? Alright, it looks like... Oh, it's not done yet. Ooh, it's still trying to find stuff. That's interesting. What do we have here, though? Wait, did I finish this? Okay, we're gonna go to index, if there's even an index in here. This is forbidden, so it's probably gonna be good for us. Different type of focus? Yeah. This is a very thinking, like very in-depth thinking, so for me it requires like major focus, you know? Analytical stuff. Nothing related to like, you know, blitz gaming. And by blitz, I'm not talking about the comp player, I'm talking about like chess blitz. Which is extremely fast-paced. It's logo PNG. Not that I will get anything interesting from that. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But sometimes, even though there's like a 200 and it says logo, sometimes you might actually find some, something interesting that's like crucial to a website, even if it's like in an image. And the reason why is because sometimes code or metadata actually gets stored in images. Therefore, you get like very important information for whatever it is that you're trying to hack, and you have to extract it. But sometimes you can kind of tell from the get-go if it's gonna be something that requires to do that. For the most part, at least in the aspect of HackTheBox, which is intentionally vulnerable, But the same way that they have intentionally vulnerable stuff, the same exact scenarios can actually happen in a very realistic manner, in a very realistic scenario that was meant to be unintentional, meaning they had no idea that they needed to get rid of that vulnerability, right? Like I could find someone's website that looks exactly like this, whatever, and they have no idea how to secure it. Like nothing. Although it may not be like a real world scenario, it looks slightly different. And even though it looks slightly different, the mentality of actually finding something at all is way different as well. Like you have to really seriously think like a user, not just like, oh, well, HackTheBox usually does this and that. Well, the same way that HackTheBox does things a certain way, guess what? People fucking do the exact same thing, but in a different way. Funny how that browser extension Honey was a scam. Oh, dude, I had no idea. I think I only had what? I think I've only used Honey like maybe like a few times, not even 10 times. But it was only when it came out. Only when it came out. And I didn't know anything about hacking. Like nothing. It felt fishy for me to try. Well, for me, I just didn't know any better, I didn't know what hacking looked like. To me, everything seems legit, blah, 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 all that. So, yeah. Alright, doesn't seem like I'm going to get anything interesting from doing web source or source page. Even Markiplier said it would seem weird. Yeah, I mean, Markiplier, may have a little bit more experience when it comes to like programming. Maybe I don't know if he knows anything like that. But I had no idea. I was, way too young or way inexperienced to even understand what was legit versus not legit. But I've always wanted to know, and here I am, being hackerman thing. Okay, so local file system, varlet, tomcat, webs, root, index, HTML. Cool. Can I really get anything relevant? What is this music? Oh, okay. I was gonna say the music started to be weird, slightly. That's Roush music? Yes, I agree. Da, 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 da. Ooh, we have a password situation. Ooh, it's not. Wait. Are they both the same thing? Oh, this is different actually. What is this? Oh, it's the same shit. What the fuck? About? Okay. Doesn't do anything. It's resolving? I guess? Okay. Didn't do shit. Ooh. Oh, come. Oh! Hello. We gotta add this to our Etsy host. Okay. Can I type? Thanks. Let me move. Actually, let me change the name first to nmap.txt and then move it back a directory. And then rmrf, which is to delete, remove the directory instead of a file. Okay. Is it that I wanted to do? Oh, yeah. I already did that. Alright. Let's redo this. There might be some local file inclusion here. Or it could be something else, who knows? This could be our way in right here. Could be. What else can I find here? Index.php. Is that the same thing? Cause oh, I'm already in there. It's the same thing. Okay. Pricing, home, blah blah blah. There's news. Apologies to all the customers. Change the site to remove. Blah blah. Does it do anything if I do that? Will it break? It did not. So, oh. So what if I do ID? Might be able to find like an exploit for this, maybe? And it did not resolve. That is... it's crazy. This might be the same spot. Alright. What else did I find here? That is one of them. Damn, it's still finding shit? It's probably not gonna find anything else, to be honest. I'll keep it running, but... is it still not... oh my god, this is not done yet. Holy shit. Alright. Docs architecture. If I could literally... oh. This is kind of it. Okay. This might be important. Apache Tomcat 9.0.31. You'll probably find an exploit from that. Alright. Give me like a minute or so. I got some food delivered. So I'll be right back. That is not it. Okay, BRB. Okay. I'm back. Not allowed? That's crazy, bro. Man. Alright. Let's see. What is this? Oh, this might actually not be important, actually. Yeah, it's an actual website. 9.0. Okay. I know. I already know which version it is, so it's whatever. Hmm. Oh, wait. This does not matter, actually. Maybe. Okay. Couldn't find anything. Was there a hello. Why are you here? Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna get anything here. Ow. I should probably, like, this could be like a gigantic rabbit hole that I could be going to. It's probably not a good idea. I mean, I'll keep it for now because it says these are the configurations for Tomcat, so it's technically not a bad find. But that should not be there. One sec. All right. Oh man, finished my food. Holy crap, that was so good. What was it? So at this hour, the only thing that's good and available is freaking Dennis. Dennis. And I got myself freaking a really nice hamburger. But it, what's it called? What's the thing called? It's called a double cheeseburger. But the way they make it is so good. From Dennis, yeah. Like I've eaten a lot of cheeseburgers in my life. I think there's only two places that I would recommend. First, Dennis, and then second, another one that's like only hamburger world, but it's like Angus beef, and it's only in Puerto Rico. Those are the top two hamburger places I've ever eaten, ever. It's Denny. No, it's oh sorry, Denny's. Yeah, that. I don't know why I call it Dennis. Yeah, you're right. Anyway, by the way, Bethesda, if you have any questions about what I'm doing, or if you spot something and you're like, "Oh shit, what is that?" You're more than welcome to ask me. It's not a problem. Damn, I'm not getting a lot here. Is this the same thing? Oh, this is the same thing. Okay. It's the config file. Will do. Nice. Like even if you're asking about like what the hell is all this crap, could also ask about that. Login.html. I mean, it could give me a pretty good idea on who's been logging in. Oh, well, that's not what I expected. That is not what I expected. What's best sniffing tool? Ooh, that's a good one. Sniffing tool. Let me see. No. Wireshark, I would say. I mean, when I say the best, I mean like in the sense of it's usable by everyone, understandable. You can kind of put parameters if you want to. Now, there are other technology out there that's more advanced, I would say, but if there's any reliability for a sniffer, it'd probably be like Wireshark. you know, Wireshark is the tool that whenever it's active, it'll start tracing packets around the network, like from your network. Dsniff? The hell is a dsniff? Mm, I mean, looks like... Okay, well, it looks like dsniff is a tool that's on the terminal. Wireshark is a GUI. GUI means like a graphical interface. The sniffing this... Okay. Well, the funny thing is that it actually is called dsniff. That's kind of the funny part. Yeah. Yep. Look. dsniff. Right here. I planned that. Yeah. Totally. Totally planned it. Oh, there's also Addercap, but there's also Kismet, TC Dump. Wireshark is like an actual interface. So let me pull it up real quick. See, this is Wireshark. If I do like ton 0, which is the VPN that I'm on, you can kind of see this is the entire thing that's going on right now inside that VPN, like everything that's connected to that. And then you hit like pause right here, and you can actually little by little start analyzing what each thing is and what they do and what they connect to and what port and what destination, what source, etc., 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 etc. You get all kinds of information. And yes, this also includes in a video game as well. So this is literally how they capture your IP address in a game, by the way. And scary? Yep, literally. Now the thing is that companies can actually obfuscate, or sorry, not obfuscate, mask IP addresses, technically. But the problem is that they're not going to be doable just by playing the game. Sometimes having a certain protocol as a filter to be able to like detect certain protocols can actually pinpoint someone's IP address. So a very easy thing that they do is they force people to go into voice chat, right? And the more they talk, the more packets from this section right here, this length that says 158 right here, the higher it gets, the more you talk. And the lower it gets, the less you talk. So technically, you can kind of pinpoint whose IP address belongs to which just by that. And then that's when people do illegal stuff by DDoSing, you know? Well, when I say DDoSing, I'm not talking about like DDoSing. It's just a DOS attack, you know? Because there's like a big difference. Quit without saving. Like DOS attack is one machine, DDoS is multiple machines at the same time. Because one's called denial of service, and the other one's called distributed denial of service. Oh yeah, that's right. We don't need this. I think I'm not gonna get much here. I think I've seen just about everything. These redirects are complete bogus. Doesn't scream like something I would see generally. What is this? Oh. Hello. Why is this here? Interesting. Uh, what was I doing? I could probably do it here, but I'm not sure if this even works. Yeah, no. Definitely nothing to do. Like, why is that here? Apache. No. Tomcat. .9031. The hell is a ghost cat anyway? I don't really have anything going on here, seriously. Yeah. And it's already done as well. Okay, search exploit, Tomcat. Okay. 31. I can't find anything here. Alright. Which link leads to the page containing the statement on recovering from data breach? Boom. Which URL parameter of the news.php page is vulnerable to local file inclusion? URL parameter. file. See, this is what I was talking about. Local file inclusion, which is this right here. Which system user has the user ID 1000 on Tabby? The fuck? I guess? I mean, I could do that. Sure. What? That's literally what I did. You dipshit. Oh, you asshole. Oh my god. Let's just get rid of this, because it's not doing anything. Is it Apache? I mean... Mega hosting. I could probably do Tomcat default threads, which is admin, add password. Tomcat. Admin blank. Nothing. Alright, dead end. Fuck you. Actually, this is still could be password never again. Tomcat. Could be admin password. Admin blank. Okay. That I could try and brute force it, but that would probably take way too much time. This LFI vulnerability is like our easiest bet. Also, oh yeah, you said that you just got off work, right? You said? Sorry, I'm just forgetful right now. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Just extremely forgetful. one of my terrible things. I just forget. It's not good. Yeah. Bro, what is this? This is not relevant. Like, I'm a master of that. Yeah. Same here. How is this not working? LFI input, I guess. LFI parameters. Yeah. That's why it takes me long to remember gangs. I mean, yeah, that's quite normal actually. It's all good. Oh, ain't that funny? Literally, it says. Okay. Is this thing? This thing is done too. Alright. There's really nothing here. I can basically close this. Ooh, that's interesting. Can I still ping it? Yeah. Fine. Mm, how to There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Right here. Okay. With ID. Okay, so I'm not gonna need this crap. ID 1000. Clive. Some dude called Clive. Which system user has ID? Oh, wait. Let's scratch the hell out of that. How is it not Clive? The most common hack is phishing. Yes, and often the most deadly as well. And the reason why is because it's so easy to phish somebody that's not even funny. I promise you, it's extremely easy. And a lot of times it has to do with people not being able to know what the hell they're looking at. You know, they don't know how to read URLs. They don't know what to expect. They don't know what's actually like a real phishing. So a lot of times people get trained for stuff like that. Literally one YouTube search on how phishing is and how to secure yourself, and you should be fine for the most part. Unless most common targets are older people, right? Not necessarily, but they are the most vulnerable, yes. Because they don't know anything technological. So. But what was I saying? So, unless the hacker gives you a phishing, a phish, right, that is extremely targeted towards the things that you like, or things that make sense to you specifically, we call that spear phishing. Spear phishing. Shouldn't it be called a phishing line or so to real I'm in? No, that would be literally phishing. But we use that as, you know, as a reference to actual phishing. So yeah, spear phishing is a targeted form of phishing attack where scammers craft highly personalized emails, often impersonating trusted individuals or organizations to trick specific targets into divulging sensitive information or taking actions that compromise their security. So there's that. There are many kinds of phishing as well. What are all the kinds of phishing? There's spear phishing, clone phishing, HTTPS, email, angler, evil twin, whaling. Whaling is like a very popular one. Farming, watering hole phishing, smishing and vishing. Smishing would be like through SMS, text message, and vishing would be through voicemail, not voicemail, voice chat, meaning you're on a phone call and they're tricking you to do something. And, you know, like let's say you are customer service and you are IT support, you are the first line of, you know, communicating with the customer, and they have certain access to do certain things, like, you know, unlocking accounts or changing passwords for you, you know, things that you can't do as a customer. So you coming in and let's say you want to hack someone else, you can actually pretend to be someone that makes sense to the account's user and be able to trick customer service or IT support to actually have them do something for you, which is technically against security, you know, and it's very against policy as well. There are much more, but that's kind of the gist of it. That's kind of these are the most common ones. Phone communications replaces email as the attacker's method of communication. Smishing. This is a phishing attack that uses the phone instead of written communication. Fraudulent SMS. There we go. Anyway. Yeah. Also, we had successfully found a vulnerability in here, but there's a small problem. Oh, it's called Ash. That's the guy's name. It's not Clive, it's fucking Ash. That's why I was like, what the hell? It's Ash. That's the user that we're probably gonna have to hack into. What is the full path of Apache Tomcat configuration, which contains a list of usernames, roles, and passwords? Well, I don't fucking know. Read the Tomcat docs. Oh my god, dude. Are you freaking kidding me? Why would I ever want to do that? Can I get Shadow? Definitely not. We can do LS LA, nothing. Read the Tomcat docs. I don't know where it is, to be honest. I'm just guessing at this point. Honestly, I could just do this. Tomcat docs, where usernames and passwords. Tomcat user.xml. Okay. Tomcat users. I mean, I guess. Okay. mm. How to ask questions the smart way. Bruh. This is insane. No, this is stupid. I was just curious. I was just freaking curious. I'm so not feeling this song. Holy shit. I didn't know there was this. The fuck? Oh shit. Like, why would you have this here and send it to a Google? Like, hello? God, I have like a massive headache. I don't have Tylenol, unfortunately. It really sucks. Unfortunately, yeah. Yeah. I'll probably get some. Oh no, there's always tomorrow. Maybe. I mean, I'm just here thinking that it might actually pass. It's not like. So when I said massive headache, I probably exaggerated it. It's not like big, but it's there. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of there, but you know, never ending. Uh, I don't fucking know what to do. Table of contents. Credential handler. You know, I could just do... Oh, this is not even it. Docs home. Oh. Yeah, I'm just hoping it goes away soon. Before it gets intense. Well, I don't feel it to be intense. That's... You know? I mean, I get what you're saying, like, before it gets worse. It's not intense. It's... Like I said, it's just kind of there, you know? Just hanging. What am I doing? Brain... Ugh. Am I the headache? Nah, definitely not. It started happening before I started streaming this. Bless you, thank you. I don't know, dude. Fuck it. This is music, dude. I just started realizing what it said. I mean, the beat is actually pretty fire, but the lyrics are questionable as fuck. PHP rapper. Could be PHP crap. Nah, the beat is absolutely fire. It's the fucking lyrics that's absolute pretty weird, you know. It's not the worst I've heard, I'll tell you what. I don't know. See, this is better now. What's it called? LFI testing syntax, I guess. Oi. Okay. Oh. Maybe if I do... Immediately goes to Tabby. That's funny. Hmm. Dun, 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 dun. Hmm. I can't find something that I want here. Oh, maybe that's why they wanted me to... Okay. Maybe that's why they wanted me to do this crap. So I can actually take advantage of that crap. Fuck. How do I read the Tomcat? I mean... Could be that. Tomcat. Fuck. Man. Mm. Bro, why is there a damn dog in the background of this song? A tiny ass dog just barking. Unless it's a fucking squeaky toy. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, are you hearing this? Are you hearing this, Bethesda? Not gonna lie, it sounds like a small squeaky toy. Oh yeah. Yes, yeah. Yeah, I'm getting pretty tired. Pretty damn tired. Ah, crap. Oh, never mind. I don't know. I don't know. Oy. I don't know. The hell? I don't know. I'm just bad, dude. Yes, you are. Wow. Wow. What if... That's what you get for hitting me on For Honor. Sorry, I just saw it. Nah. You absolutely deserve that. That's all I'm saying. See, this nothing to do here. Oh my god, look at this. This is why I should read everything. Everything! What? What? BS. BS. Definitely not gonna work through here. Yeah. How do I find that? Like, I have to be extremely stupid for this. I'm not gonna lie. Is that how that works? Okay. Crap. What am I doing? Like, pretty sure that's how you do it. Hmm. Are you shitting? No way, dude. I have to be dumb for this. No way. Obviously none of that. Excuse me. Oh. Bro, I literally just tried this. Hello. Literally just try this. Nothing fucking work. I don't know. Pretty sure that was it. Trying to think. I'm finna pass out, bro. GG's easy. No, really can't beat sleep. No problem, Daza. Appreciate you stopping by, my dude. Always nice. It's nice to see you around here. You have yourself a good night. Have a good stream, nerd. Have a good night, nerd. Thank you. See you later, Badaza. Till next time. Oh, wait. It has to be... I forgot. It's Tomcat. Oh. That could be useful, maybe? Current. Oh. What are the fucking odds? I was thinking maybe it's invisible, you know? What do we have here? There we go. That's what I'm. Fuck this shit. Where's the fucking. Where's the spot? No. Where is it? This is a good song. Bruh. Whatever. Hmm. Oh, this is the manager. Oh. Right. Ah. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm way too tired. Way too tired. Laters.